to one and all who have gathered here, Honorable Professor Vikas Sharma, Honorable Professor Jayendra Krishna Sharma, my fellow colleagues and my dear successful candidates. This is, I would be doing great injustice if I do not mention the contribution of Professor Mani Gopal Mohanto, because this whole Vartalap initiative is something which was taken in discussion.
Honorable my teacher, Professor Alaka Sharma, esteemed faculty members of the department, our invited guests, successful candidates of this last APSC examination, our bright futures, and my dear research scholars and students, friends. We are very much proud that our students cleared this APSC examination with bright colors. I welcome Tamasha Das, Janhavi Bora, Mousumi Chakraborty, Mousumi Bhattacharjee, Bornali Khatiora, Vidisha Bora, and Ambarish Sharma. I will not take much time. I only wish that through their deliberation and interaction, our next generation of students must be benefited. I request our dear first semester and third semester students to interact with them as much as possible so that they gather something from their experience. And I also request the successful candidates to talk or encourage and please tell how these students to prepare in future along with their master's degree courses. I would like to thank Dr. Vikas Tripathi, coordinator of this function, for his initiative and hard work to make this program successful. And I request all of you, specifically students, to interact with the successful candidates, to ask them questions and take their contact numbers so that you may interact in future. These interactions must not be limited to this room only. You interact during tea time, you interact in future, you interact through telephonic conversation, or you meet with them later, so that next time there will be no place to sit here of successful candidates in future. So many successful candidates will come here and will be in a position not to give all the candidates to sit in this place. So with this wish, I inaugurate this program. I declare.
I will not make my speech very long. You can ask as many questions you want. I have been asked to talk about my strategy in general studies. But before that, I want to share that how the journey began. The journey of becoming a civil servant. So this was not my childhood dream that I wanted to pursue civil service. It all began when I was doing my graduation. So while I think it was in the last year of my graduation that I thought I would want to join civil service. So what happened, actually after my graduation, I came to pursue masters in this very department, and something happened to me. I thought that I will not do masters. Then what happened, after doing I think 2 or 3 days I did classes, then I left. Without informing anybody, I left. I thought that graduation is enough, so I will do graduation, then I will study for civil service. I saw the syllabus, and that syllabus was different. This is my second attempt, and in the first attempt the syllabus was different and a little bit easier. Okay. Then I saw the syllabus, then I thought some confidence came into me that I can do it. So I will not do masters, I will do graduation, then I will prepare. Then I went home and I started preparing, self-study. I did self-study and almost 1 year I studied. Then again, it came into my mind that I must do my masters again. Actually, why it happened? Because this exam actually it takes 1 year, but unfortunately in Assam, the process it becomes longer due to various reasons. Sometimes this 1 year exam it takes two years also. So I got bored also at home. So I thought that I must go again and do masters. And God was very fortunate enough. I gave entrance again, and I secured the top rank in entrance. Then I came back and then I did my masters. I also did little bit kind of work. I became the class representative. Then I did some programs also. So it was a very great journey, and I think that was the best decision I have taken. Now I can say it was the best decision that I came back and I did my masters. So at this moment now I have completed my masters also, and APSC is also done. So I think that was the best decision. Now coming to the strategy of the GS, actually I have not taken any coaching. At that time also, after graduation 1 year I did self-study. Then I came here and I did my masters, and along with masters I was preparing. In the first attempt also I got selected in prelims, mains and interview, but unfortunately my name didn't come in the final list. But again I gave my second attempt. Then it was a little bit difficult for me also, because along with masters I was preparing, and I was doing that both seriously. Actually, I wanted to do good in masters also, then APSC also, so I was preparing both side by side. So, before telling about my strategy, I want to tell that actually there is no perfect strategy. Strategies will differ from person to person. In fact, in both my exams, my strategy was different. It was not the same strategy, because in my first attempt I was at home. It was in a completely different environment. I was just studying at home, no other work. But in my second attempt, I came to university. I was doing my masters. So this time the strategy was different. So before telling about my strategy, I want to say that there is no perfect strategy. Okay. Now everyone will tell their strategies, but you choose, students. You choose which one is good for you, because everyone has their own strength and weakness. So only you can know what is your strength and what is your weakness. So you have to choose your own strategy. But you can have some faith in me, because I have given 2 attempts. So a little bit experience I have gathered. So you can have some faith in me, because there are some things that are similar for all. Like everyone has to do hard work. That is common for all. And more than hard work, now it's about smart work. Smart work means, like it is said that for the GS syllabus, everything under the sun comes under GS, under general studies. But that is not so. Because there has been a perfect syllabus has been given for general studies. So what we have to do, we have to stick to the syllabus. We have to stick to the syllabus. I think every candidate will say that since the syllabus is given, we have to stick to the syllabus, because time is very limited. We should not, it's better to read few books several times, many times, than reading various books. Okay, reading the same book again and again is more beneficial than reading many books. So I think this is same for all, that you have to do smart work. Now, the general studies